How's it going, folks? So, exciting day. I'm obviously down in Dargo. We've come down the mountain this morning. As you know, MGK Adventures and OPENROAD have partnered up to help us with our adventures and get out and bring more to you guys. Today we're heading down to Bairnsdale to pick up our awning. It's a 270° plus OPENROAD awning. So exciting times. We'll head down for the 80 odd Ks down to Bairnsdale and we'll go grab that. We'll show you the installation and reviews, and we're obviously going to put the awning through its paces up here in the high country. It'll get a fair bit of use, trust me, and we'll bring you all that excitement. Well, folks, we're down at Bairnsdale. At Grinter Transport, which is where the stuff from OPENROAD comes through. Because we're up north of Dargo, up high in the high country, transporters don't come up there, freight doesn't come up, so we get it delivered to Grinter in Bairnsdale here, and we just drive down and pick it up. As I say, it's 90 odd Ks, so it's not too bad, 100 Ks call it. Anyway, we've got the big awning there, and we'll get it strapped on, stick it up on the roof rack, and a few things to do in Bairnsdale. We'll head home, we'll get into the installation process and put the awning to the test. Good quality gear from OPENROAD. I'm sure there won't be any troubles, but we'll give it a try anyway. Happy days. Can't wait to get this awning put on and try it out. Well, here we are, guys. We're back up in the Victorian high country, back at camp. We've got the OPENROAD awning. She managed to survive the trip. She's tied on good. We'll get her off. We'll do a bit of an unboxing, and probably won't do the installation today. We're getting a bit late in the day. I might get that done tomorrow for you. But anyway, stay tuned.
Hope that's one up.
Will be. How's it going, folks? We're about to do the unboxing of our OPENROAD 270 plus awning. We'll get her opened up and we'll see what's inside. All right, so we've got a user manual. Comes with the package. Obviously, we got some foam rubber for protection, which is great. We've got our 3 mounting brackets to go on the roof rack. I'll get one of those out so we can see it. Beautiful looking bracket. Solid, well manufactured. Good engineering. I might just sit that down there. All right, so that's the OPENROAD 270 plus awning. Got our brackets and our user manual. We'll get those brackets installed on the roof rack. We're putting it on a Rhino platform tradie that we've got on the LandCruiser. We like having the sides on the roof rack for tying things down. And we'll step you through the installation process as well. All right, so we're just gonna unzip her on the ground and just have a look what's inside. Looks like we've got nice packaging. Very nice. So inside that bag that's there, we've also got more. It's our mounting plates, our bolts, some nice spongy gaskets to go under the brackets on your roof rack. So that's all part of the installation package. We've obviously got some ropes and pegs. which is great. Now in here, what do we have in here? Oh, more goodies. Ah, lights. So there's our USB plug with our 3 DC plugs to go in the lights. Straps. And a whole pile of bolts. They go with those. A couple of open-ended spanners. Gee, that's pretty good. Even sends you spanners. We carry, obviously, in our LandCruiser, almost a full workshop. Anyway, a few extra open-ended ring spanners, open-ended spanners won't hurt. And I think that's it. So we'll sit down and read the manual. Just double check we're not missing anything. Pretty straightforward, I think, but we'll just double check. And we'll get into the installation process. So the awning user manual, the OPENROAD user manual, pretty comprehensive. It's got cautions, contents list and parameters, installation, storage, and obviously their warranty policy and contacts. So yeah, it steps through everything you need to know. Full parts list, all your brackets, installation, step by step. Skipped a few pages there. Awesome. Storage, including some nice pictures of storage and their warranty policy. Good stuff, plenty of information. So just thought I'd show you this. The little T-bolts supplied by OPENROAD for your roof rack and for the awning are really heavy stainless steel T-bolts. They're a lot better than a lot of the ones I've seen. You know, some of the ones that you get are like this little plate that does the job, but it's a bit how you're going, you know, it's just a gal plate. Whereas these beautiful stainless steel T-bolts, awesome, nice and strong. And a lot of the four-wheel driving that we do a lot of four-wheel driving every day, exploring and adventuring through the high country and all over Australia. The roof rack and the whole vehicle obviously gets subjected to a massive amount of vibration. So strength and engineering in everything that we put on the vehicle is of paramount importance, and that's why we've gone for OPENROAD products designed specifically for Australia. The T-bolts quite simply slide into your roof rack. And we'll put these brackets on, put the bracket over, put your washers and nuts on, and we're ready to bolt the awning on. So actually bolting the OPENROAD awning on, pretty simple really. Brackets are on, slip the bolts in, washer and an eye-lock nut, and away you go. So that's the awning, the OPENROAD awning, bolted on, mounted to our roof rack. Really simple. We're camped down here in the middle of the bush, right here next to the camper. No special tools required. The couple of spanners supplied by OPENROAD in the packet is all you need to put this awning on. If you've got a couple of ratchets, yeah, well and good, but you can do it just with those 2 spanners alone, nothing else needed. As far as an installation tip that I would give, don't forget to check where the pin at the back is for your main fulcrum arm that comes right around the back. You don't want the awning mounted too far forward, so when you open it up, that arm hits the back of your roof rack or the back of your tailgate. So just make sure that that's back far enough that it'll open up and give clearance to your roof rack or anything that's on your roof rack. You might have a camper pack on top of your roof rack, for example, a rooftop camper. Anything bolted on there. We've got our spare wheel up there, but it sits back a bit. So just make sure you've got that clearance. So that's that for the open road awning installation. We're going to take it out in the field now and we'll put it up and we'll give you a look. We'll get the lights set up and we'll run you through that. First open up. Righto folks, we've got the Open Road 270 Plus awning installed. Sits on the LandCruiser pretty nicely. We're going to do our first opening. So good stuff, we'll see how she looks. So she looks pretty good, sitting up there, nicely strapped in. Just unwraps. That just hooks in there. Do that up nice and firm. Right. This comes around. We'll do that up nice and firm. Beautiful. And that sits on there nice. Looks nice and solid. Yeah, I'm pulling on that pretty hard. Like I'm 90 kilos. And if you need to, I mean, it is a freestanding awning, so you don't have to put the legs down, but bit extra. There's another leg at the back, and then you've also got the legs that come with it as well. There's a bag with another couple of legs for up the front. I think this is a brilliant idea. You flip that up and it just gives the roof of the awning a little bit more of a peak to get the water off if it rains or snows. Now this awning comes with plugs for your lights, so we just got it plugged straight into the battery in the back. We simply plug them in. All right, and each light has a little button hidden in the end here. I hope you can see that. I mean, it's broad daylight, but we've got the lights on. So we've got orange, clear, and like a soft and off. Orange, full clear. I think that might be a mix of orange and clear. But at the end of the day, the lights, full length. Look at the length of the lights. I'll put out plenty of light over night time. Awesome stuff, awesome. So the awning does have walls, and I actually like the idea. Open road awnings have a zip, whereas a lot of awnings have Velcro, and the Velcro wears out. Especially when you're using them as much as we do. We have a lot of problem with even our camper trailer and bits and pieces with Velcro. Continuous use after time, the Velcro just doesn't work anymore and you've got to have it replaced. Good solid heavy duty zip will outlast Velcro by a long shot. A great idea.
So that's the Open Road 270 Plus Awning, guys. We're heading out on another adventure now. We're going to put it to the test out on the four-wheel drive tracks in the Victorian high country. Stay tuned for the action.